Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster, navigation system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.